Welcome to our video on integrating external fingerprint scanners with mobile web apps. With the rise of biometric authentication, fingerprint scanning has become an essential feature in many modern applications. But have you ever wondered how to integrate an external fingerprint scanner with your mobile web app? In this video, we'll explore the key considerations and recommendations for successfully integrating an external fingerprint scanner with a mobile web app built using Cordova or Capacitor and a PHP backend. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance your app's security features or simply curious about the process, this video is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the integration process. So let's dive in. To integrate an external fingerprint scanner with your mobile web app, you'll need to consider several key factors. Firstly, you'll need to choose a suitable fingerprint scanning library or SDK that supports your desired platform and programming language. Some popular options include Android Fingerprint API for Android devices and Local Authentication for iOS devices. Once you've selected a suitable library, you'll need to configure it to work with your mobile web app. This typically involves initializing the library, registering a callback function to handle fingerprint scan events, and prompting the user to place their finger on the scanner. However, things can get more complex when dealing with Cordova or Capacitor apps. Since these frameworks use a hybrid approach, you'll need to create a bridge between your web app's JavaScript code and the native fingerprint scanning library. This typically involves creating a plugin that exposes the necessary APIs for interacting with the fingerprint scanner. On the backend side, you'll need to ensure that your PHP server is configured to handle fingerprint-based authentication requests. This may involve updating your authentication logic to support fingerprint-based login, as well as storing and verifying fingerprint templates securely. To illustrate this process, let's consider an example scenario. Suppose we have a Cordova app built using JavaScript and HTML5, which communicates with a PHP backend server for authentication purposes. To integrate an external fingerprint scanner, we would first create a plugin that exposes the necessary APIs for interacting with the fingerprint scanner. We would then update our web app's JavaScript code to use this plugin and register a callback function to handle fingerprint scan events. On the backend side, we would update our PHP server to support fingerprint-based authentication requests. This might involve creating a new API endpoint for handling fingerprint-based login requests, as well as updating our database schema to store fingerprint templates securely. To recap, integrating an external fingerprint scanner with your mobile web app requires careful consideration of several key factors. These included choosing a suitable fingerprint scanning library or SDK, configuring the library to work with your mobile web app, creating a bridge between your web app's JavaScript code and the native fingerprint scanning library for Cordova or Capacitor apps, updating your backend server to support fingerprint-based authentication requests. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate an external fingerprint scanner with your mobile web app and enhance its security features. That's it for today's video on integrating external fingerprint scanners with mobile web apps. We hope this explanation has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of the integration process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on mobile app development and related topics. If you're interested in exploring this topic further, we encourage you to check out some additional resources in our video description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.